Good morning, everyone. There's like a lot of noise going on and I should also get up out of bed, but here we are. It's Wednesday. On Friday, I hosted this journaling workshop event. I think there was like a total of 13 or 14 people, but 2 of them were my friends who were just there for like moral support and feedback. I've had a YouTube channel for like almost 8 years now. I've been trying to think of ways to like mesh these worlds, like this online world and then my reality. I definitely plan on hosting more journaling workshops. They're probably going to be on Fridays. I don't think I'll do one this Friday, but perhaps next Friday. I will have information below where you can leave your email. You can sign up for any updates on that. Things have been different since I last posted my video. My sister is back now. We've always been very close and we haven't lived together in the same place since high school. What are you playing on a sound bath? Where did you discover it?
On Shop Bop's Instagram live story.
Shop Bop.
I don't even know why I clicked on it, but I'm so happy I did.
Thank you, Mommy. She's not my mom, just saying. Hello everyone and welcome to my favorite place in the world. One of them at least. Alaska has like the most pilots per capita, I believe, or something like around that. There are just a bunch of planes flying all the time. That's like still a life goal someday, is to learn how to fly. There's also construction going on right next door, so I tried facing this way to like shield the noise. I'm not sure if that's working out well. Today was an early morning until it was not. It's really interesting this week because restrictions on the stay at home for coronavirus has actually started to loosen up in Anchorage. In Alaska, we have like around 300 cases total, and that's not that much for how many people live in Alaska and also just for how huge and expansive Alaska is. Obviously, any amount is not a good amount because it's a virus. It just started getting really warm outside. I think all the snow melted around last week or like 2 weeks ago, and so I've been seeing a lot of people getting outside and outdoors, but it'll be interesting to see. I wanted to start this day off nice and good. I try to start my mornings with journaling. Sometimes it just doesn't make sense, so if it really doesn't make sense for the day, I will not do it. But I haven't been journaling as much as I usually do, and so I've kind of just been craving it. I'm going to just start my morning pages for 30 minutes, and then I haven't talked to my friend Jerry in a while, so I'll probably actually just go on a walk and talk to him. How have you been doing? Quarantine buff, not quarantine puff. I'm gonna start saying that from now on. So about 3 or 4 weeks into quarantine, I planted some plants and they sprouted pretty immediately, but it's been really fun, honestly. Like, they bring me a lot of joy. Every day they grow a little bit and you can tell. I don't know if any of you played Mario Party, but one of the mini games was literally just like bringing your plant to either sun or rain, like alternating between the two. And that's literally what I do to these plants. I move them to the sunlight because Alaska sun, especially during the summertime, is very strong. They usually start off over there in the kitchen where the sun hits from that direction, and I'll bring them upstairs if it's a nice day, and then they'll end the day on this ledge where the sun sets over there. I'm gonna put water over it, but it just looks cool. What do you have here?
It's king salmon belly.
For $5.
Mm-hmm. It's the best part. Good, huh?
Very, very soft.
Yeah. That's why it's so good.
It is now 1. I'm actually currently like watching Juicy Star 07. She's posted for the first time in like a year. This is literally like the second YouTuber that I found on YouTube. And I love her videos. And I think that's like really influenced my videos. Mine are very long and rambly. I would always just watch like whatever content that they put out and love it. It's interesting to like see, because now YouTubers like do put a lot of production and editing and thought into their cuts and whatnot. Just keep having to adapt to the times. But yes, school has been really interesting lately because I was really seriously considering flexing back on this unit because I just feel like I don't really know what I'm doing most of the time. And it's hard in Lambda school, in this school, because you kind of have people who are doing this program for a variety of different reasons. There are some people who have literally self-taught themselves to basically program, and they just want, you know, to solidify the curriculum or to just like have a certificate to then apply to jobs. But you also have like complete beginners like me. It's just hard knowing where you stand sometimes. I don't know, my earring does not have a back. Where did that go? Okay, I'll tell you guys about my earrings. The box is right here. It's from Ana Luisa. I just moved. Try to freshen up the appearance. I can't find where I put this one. I was sent these by Ana Luisa. It's really cute packaging. These are my favorite ones. They're just very simple. It's funny because I used to wear my mom's like old pearls that my dad bought for her. And then once they got stuck, like they were literally stuck on my ears because I used this plastic backing so that like they just wouldn't fall off. And she had to cut it off, and she cut some of the gold stud part, and I just felt so bad that I was like, I'm just not gonna wear earrings anymore. So this has been really nice because this is cheaper real gold. It's a sustainable company. They use 100% recycled gold and silver. They range from like $49. I think all my pieces were under like $150, and they're just really cute, really simple, beautiful pieces. So I got this one. I dress really simple. This is like maybe something that I'll change once I have more money. Like I might invest more in my wardrobe, but it's also right now it's just so unimportant. Something I love about Alaska is like everyone, you know, you can dress however you want. No one's gonna judge you for the clothes or things that you're wearing. It's all about like who you are as a person. But even during quarantine, you know, we're all kind of in the same situation. When I do dress up and want to go to nice dinners, I usually just never have any jewelry to wear. So I wanted to pick things that were kind of like more statement pieces. And I also wanted them to be like kind of more multifunctional. This is the first pair that I was wearing. I really like these. These are actually casual enough for me to just wear on a daily basis, and I think they really do dress up an outfit. Like I'm wearing this sweater right now. And then I also got these, and they're hoops, and they go like this. The pearls are kind of big. I read in the reviews that you can actually take the pearls off and just wear these hoops if you want. So I thought that that was like a good multi-use, and yep, they just come right off like this. You can use the code MarieChase10 for 10% off. They might have gotten my name a little wrong, but it's fine. So, if you guys are interested, I think these are really pretty, really cute. I'm gonna make this like my coding background instead. Appear smarter. So, at least for Lambda School, I think 2 things are really crucial to your success. This is like my experience so far, but again, I don't really have success in this school yet, so we'll see like what happens. But one thing is a good TL. We just got a new one. For coding, it's really hard when you get behind, because if you don't know how to do these things and then keep getting behind and more behind, it's just like, it's a slippery slope and you can get really discouraged. And then I just kind of don't even want to open my code anymore because I'm just like, I feel overwhelmed. So that's really important, and I think it's also really helpful to find a buddy. I went to a meetup here in Anchorage. There are 3 students in Alaska in this school, and one of them said that he felt really lucky because he and his group just like developed really early on. They would all just pair program, so they'd all just hop on. He's in the full-time unit, so they'd hop on every day and just pair program until they got their projects done. which is really lucky, and I'm excited that I have a buddy because we're both kind of on the same page, which isn't like that helpful for each other because we can't help each other in our coding, but it's kind of just moral support because I think a lot of coding can be really discouraging for beginners if you're not used to like something like this, that you fail every day and you always run into blockers. And so those are two things that I think are really helpful. That's kind of where I am. Thursday's always a good day because that's kind of my Friday. I don't have my 5th day until Sunday. So I kind of feel like I can take a breather on Thursdays. But that's how my school is going.
Kind of weird how we do this in React. But once you work with this pattern enough, you'll get used to it and it'll make sense. So yeah, input, and I'm gonna save this.
Five-minute break.
Thank you.
How's the work going? What did you make?
Oxtail,
Whoa, it smells so good.
coconut rice.
Mm.
You want this big?
Thank you. Yes.
Some Spanish Cali?
It's now 8. Technically Anchorage is open and you can go, I think we're opening bars and whatnot next week at 25% capacity on Monday. I honestly haven't really been going anywhere still. We're still being like pretty cautious, but right now I'm just gonna go stop and get some beer. It's working? Okay. I was sent this really cool projector. It's called the Q. I'll have to look on the package, but it is dark and very gloomy outside, and we're gonna try to see if it works. And I think we just got it working, but we're just gonna try to connect it to the iPad and see if we can like watch. What? That's actually so cool. We have this light on too, and we can't turn it off because we're charging it. So here is what it looks like. It's the GV1. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. This also can connect to a tripod, which is what my camera is on right now. I'm gonna try that.